FUTL. This one again was requested over on YouTube. They really had some questions about the company. I said that Joe would definitely dig into this, so I'm going to keep it short, sweet, to the point for the chart. Right here, what we are watching right now is at 0098. You guys are coming off that 30-day simple moving average, which you see right here. Okay. The other key point that you got to keep in mind is that these Bollinger Bands are starting to really come together here. Last time you've seen that, you've seen what happened over here. Again, boom, broke right out from there. FUTL, it's been a while since I went through this one. So I figured we'd cover back up on it. You've seen what happened when you got through the 30-day simple moving average over here. You guys really took off from that point. Okay. Again, 0098. The parabolic SAR right now is in the bearish territory underneath it, but I mean, this is just one indicator that I use. It's just one of the few indicators, but it usually drags behind a little bit. What you're going to be watching for right now is this. Watch for this to break through the 20-day simple moving average and the 10-day simple moving average. Most importantly, you're going to be having a hard time to get through the 0100. Let's watch for a break of that. Let's start this off with 0100 and then a break of 0105. If you guys start getting through that 0105 area, I think that this one could break out from there, and you wouldn't hit another resistance level until 0120 area off of that 20-day simple moving average. I'm gonna put a watch on this one to break the 20-day simple moving average. And really what it comes down to is buying pressure. As I say it all the time, it really comes down to buying pressure. The person that asked about this one also asked about the time and sells. Again, over here on investorshangout.com, this is a standard feature just for joining. Right here, these red bars are sells, the green ones are buys, and the white ones are even trades. So you want to watch for more greens than anything. Okay, the solid buys coming in, you're going to want to see that here. It looks like that is the case that's going on right now. So you want to keep seeing these green bars show up over here on Investors Hangout for that. And then if you continue to see that, yeah, you're going to break through that 20-day simple moving average. So I'm going to put on watch for that 20-day simple moving average. That is all I have to add.
All right, so this one right here, I mean, I'd say we went through this one before. It seems familiar. Okay, because I was looking over some of the news on it, and a lot of the news seems familiar with like different, land agreements and whatnot. So on January 4th, they had a press release. It was FutureLand Corp, 2017 shareholder update. CEO defines direction of the company. So FutureLand Corp, a leading provider of strategic real estate investment, grow facilities, and material solutions to the global cannabis industries, announces today, or on January 4th, a renewed and revitalized vision and direction for the company. CEO Cameron Cox explains. FutureLand became a public company in mid-2015 after spinning out of FutureWorld.com, or FutureWorld Corp, a cannabis incubator. Since that time, a few things have become abundantly clear to us. First, we need to be where the plant is. We need to touch the plant, rotate the plant, and posit the plant into maybe I should have said deposit the plant into the marketplace, or posit. All right. So at the same time, finding a way to siphon out all the goodness it has to offer, meaning that how great and to what extent the various parts of the plant can add or aid with many human ailments on the pharmaceutical side have yet to be determined. But more and more data is pointing to the fact that we are just beginning to scratch the surface, and this work needs to be done. So he basically just goes on to, explain more. This is like more of an update on everything that's going on. Because, I mean, the company has identified specific categories of business that they intend to drill down on and develop in this race. The first leg of the company's journey is land. Currently, they hold 3 separate parcels, 240 acres in Colorado, 78 acres in Oregon, and another 265 acres in Oregon. We believe in real estate and the value of this limited commodity as an investment and its ability to provide us with the access to grow marijuana. The second leg is licensing, particularly licensing to grow marijuana and to dispense the product to the people who need it and want it. FutureLand currently owns a license in Oregon for cultivation and is planning to make application for a second license soon in the same state. The third leg is extracts and all that they entail, meaning CBD and THC infused edible and drinks naturally. FutureLand will need licensing for the THC. This market has taken off in recent years, and we believe that there is a plenty of room for FutureLand Corp. The fourth leg is cannabis supplements, which is not yet a well-defined category in the space, but we intend to flesh this out in the coming months. The fifth leg, and perhaps one of the most important, is biosciences, both genetics and delivery. So the company is preparing to build something great, and with the growth in any powerful company, personnel will need to be added. We want to start by getting some very good people on our advisory board to help keep our attention on the prize at the end of the race, to help shepherd the company to facilitate effectively everything it envisions for its growth, future growth. We will begin assembling the team in the coming weeks. So obviously there'll probably be updates on, whoever's getting added to that. So I'll share the link to this right here, and that's their latest press release. I mean, they're traded on the QB as well.
Okay, keep that in mind. Again, that is stock ticker symbol FUTL. Again, shout out to the person that brought us this one to take a look at. And again, like I said, the time in sales, and watch for a break for the 20-day simple moving average. You guys are currently at the same level right now. You're gonna watch for that. The 30-day. I honestly, I really feel that the 0090 area is going to be a solid bottom from here. Again, I would keep this one on a watch. Look at that. I mean, I can draw that trend right up on there. Again, you're bouncing off of that trend line and the 30-day simple moving average. I'm going to put this one on watch. I think that this one has the potential. I really do. So as far as the chart goes, I mean, me and Joe definitely share separate opinions on that, which is perfectly fine because you got to keep an open mind. FUTL, investorshangout.com/live.